In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a WordPress menu using a practical and beginner-friendly approach. Whether you're working with a classic theme, a block editor, or a site builder, this guide will help you navigate through the process step by step. To start, you'll need to access your WordPress dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu panel and click on Appearance. From there, select Menus. This area is your control center for managing and customizing your navigation menus. If you haven't already created a menu, you'll need to do that first. It's straightforward. Just give your new menu a name and hit the Create Menu button to get started. If you're working with multiple menus, you'll notice a drop-down labeled Select a Menu to Edit. Click on it and choose the menu you want to modify. This will help you focus on the right one, especially if you've set up different menus for different parts of your site. Now for the fun part, adding items to your menu. On the left, you'll see options to add pages, posts, custom links, or categories. Simply check the items you want to include and click Add to Menu. This will place them into your menu structure. The menu structure panel in the center will show you the current list of items as you add them. Creating submenus or drop-downs is another way to organize your content efficiently. To do this, grab an item and drag it slightly to the right underneath a top-level menu item. This nests your item, transforming it into a submenu. Remember, while it's possible to create multiple submenu levels, keeping it to 2 levels is generally best for ease of navigation. Next, let's talk about configuring the menu location. In the menu settings area, you'll spot options to assign your menu to various theme locations, like the primary menu or header menu. These locations are determined by your active theme, so choose where you want your menu to appear on your site. Once you've made all the desired changes, it's important not to forget the final step. Click Save Menu. Post-saving, the moment of truth arrives. Head over to your site and verify your work. Hover over or click your menu items to ensure that everything is working as expected, especially those drop-downs. Themes vary, so some might show submenus on hover and others on click. Either way, make sure it behaves just as you want, and that's it. You've successfully edited your WordPress menu. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.